Living with pain or a chronic condition can feel like a battle that you're fighting alone. And maybe you've tried everything, pills, therapies, more and more promises, and still relief always feels out of reach. But what if there was a natural option that could change all that? And at King Harvest Wellness, we believe in empowering you with solutions that will actually work. So let's talk about FECO, full extract cannabis oil, and why it might just be the game changer that you've been searching for. So what is FECO, and why does it matter to you? Well, FECO is a potent whole plant cannabis extract. Think of it as the purest essence of the plant, packed with cannabinoids and terpenes that will work together in harmony in your body. Unlike isolates, it's a full spectrum, harnessing what's called the entourage effect to maximize relief. At King Harvest, we craft this organically, lab tested for purity, and deliver it straight from our California fields to you. FECO and its cousin, RSO, have shown proven success for people facing tough challenges. Cancer patients use it to ease pain and nausea from treatments. Veterans find calm from PTSD. FECO and its cousin, RSO, have shown proven success for people facing tough challenges. Cancer patients use it to ease pain and nausea from treatments. FECO and its cousin, RSO, have shown proven success for people facing tough challenges. Cancer patients use it to ease pain and nausea from treatments. Veterans find calm from PTSD and anxiety. Folks with chronic pain, epilepsy, or insomnia report life-changing relief. These are not just stories. These are real results backed by real people having real experiences. And at King Harvest, we see this every day firsthand. So how do you use it? FECO is versatile. Take a tiny dose under the tongue for fast absorption, mix it into food, or apply it topically for targeted relief. It is strong, so less is more. A dot the size of a grain of rice will last you for hours, giving you control over your symptoms and your degree of comfort. But let's be real. FECO and RSO are extremely powerful and will include side effects like drowsiness, dry mouth, or even a mild high can happen, especially if you overdo it. If you're new to cannabis or on meds, please consult a pro first, and that is why we're here, not just to sell, but to guide. So why choose FECO over RSO? Both are potent, but FECO is made with food-grade ethanol, safer, cleaner. So why choose FECO over RSO? Both are potent, but FECO is made with food-grade ethanol, safer and cleaner than RSO's isopropyl or butane alcohol extraction. It keeps more of the plant's goodness intact, giving you a broader, more potent, and more balanced effect. With King Harvest, you are choosing quality that you can always trust. Now here's the kicker. Dosing is everything. Too little and you'll miss the benefit. Too much and you're uncomfortable and you're gonna quit. So that's why we offer free consultations with our advocates and our patient care specialists. There's no pressure, no obligation, and never any cost. Just real talk to find your perfect dose, answer your questions. We're never here to guess. We're only here to help you get it right. At King Harvest, we are more than a company. We are a community that cares about you. FECO is not just oil. It is hope backed by nature and science. Whether you're fighting pain, seeking sleep, or trying to reclaim your entire life, we're with you every step of the way. Visit kingharvest.org today for your free consultation, because relief should never wait, and with us, it doesn't have to.